This is day 4 of building an app as someone who can't code, so I can finally escape this basement. We're using ChatGPT to write the code and bubble.io to build the user interface. Today's plan is to get ChatGPT to turn our web scraper into an API. So yesterday we already built the URL scraper script. Now I'm converting it into a fast API with 2 endpoints. The first endpoint will fetch us all of the links, and then the second endpoint is going to scrape the visible text from every single link. Example like this. I've created multiple GPTs that allow me to do this, but we're going to be using this one next. We're going to be hosting our API on Google Cloud Run, but if you want something easier, I recommend you use Heroku. Just more expensive and not as good if you're scaling. Then ask this GPT how I can turn my code into an API. It took me a while, but we finally got it set up. So we're going to test this using bubble.io's API connector. I've also set up personal API keys to keep this API secure. Here we've got a successful response, but if we look at the raw data, we've got a URL and all of the HTML content. I'm pretty pleased with that. The next thing we need to do is find a way of using this as knowledge for our chatbots. So make sure you've clicked follow so you